Friday, February 9th, 2024. I'm Ava.
And I'm Aubrey. Here are your announcements.
Anyone interested in playing baseball this year, tryouts will be February 21st and 22nd from 3 to 5 in the small gym. Anyone interested in playing must attend both days of tryouts. If there are any questions, please see Coach B in the gym. Thank you.
Every Tuesday this month, Warren G. Harding Student Council will have a day celebrating Black History Month. On February 13th, it's Cultural Day, Rep Your Culture. On the 20th, Black History Month shirt, you wear a shirt representing Black History Month. And on the 27th, Soul Train, Think 70s, an American musical variety television show primarily featuring performances by R&B, soul, and hip-hop artists.
Soul Train allowed the world to view African Americans' many faces and elements in their unique experiences in American society. Each episode of Soul Train would be closed with founder Don Cornelius reciting the words love, peace, and soul.
Any boy interested in playing tennis this spring should sign up in the athletic office in the wing near the gym or email Mr. Nicholson at william.nicholson@warrencityschools.org.
The next YSU English Festival meeting will be today, February 9th, in the library right after school. Those of you who will submit work for any of the contest submissions are due until YSU postmarked February 23rd. We will discuss the submission process at the meeting. Please continue to read the required books and be prepared to discuss. Any questions, please contact Mr. Sutton or Ms. Pardee. See you then.
Seniors class of 2024, we listened and made some changes in the senior class apparel. There is now a new design for the album cover senior shirt. We have now made changes to making the shirt white with the Kanye West graduation album cover on it. Senior shirt apparel sales will now be extended until Friday, March 1st. All shirts, the 3 designs, Brad's, 2K Madden, and the album cover, are available in a short sleeve, long sleeve, and crew neck. Order forms are in the main office. Please see Mrs. Dawn or Mrs. Lee if you have any questions.
That's all we have for you this week. Have a great weekend, Raider Nation.
Hello, Warren G. Harding. This is Coach Penny coming at you with some outdoor track news. As you can see around the building, I've posted multiple purple QR code signings. Signing is still going on, so if you're currently in a winter sport, that's okay. Take your phone, hit the QR code, and just fill in a quick questionnaire. It takes you about a few minutes. The QR code will run the entire month of February. So I know there was some misconception or some questions were asked of me about they can still sign up, and the answer is yes, you can. We want you to sign up. So please, the QR codes are still live. They run the entire month of February. All the purple codes are on all the elevators. They're outside the guidance office, athletic office, main office, cafeteria. They're posted everywhere. And if your phone does not work on the QR code, simply borrow a friend of yours, and then you can sign up in that way. So yeah, simple as that. So have a great day, everybody, and I hope to see all of you sign up for outdoor track. And as always, go Raiders!
Hello, Warren G. Harding. This is Miss Rohr here with an announcement. Starting February 5th, the week after next, the Drama Club will be selling valograms to be delivered on the 14th during first period. We'll be selling our little sweets during lunches the whole week of the 5th. Or you can come see me personally during 4th or 8th periods if you have a pass. Only if you have a pass. We'll be selling our little valograms for $1 each. You'll need to know who you want to send it to and their first period room number, but you can make it anonymous if you want to. You need a room number to send one. Have a great week.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Carter.
And I'm Nate, and we're here with your student section announcement.
This Friday, the Warren G. Harding basketball team takes on the Austintown Fitch Falcons at home at the Palace at 7 o'clock.
The theme is USA. Wear your red, your white, your blue. Show out and pack the house.
We had a great turnout last game, and we really hope to recreate that energy as we push for a conference title. Pack the Palace, baby.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Caleb.
And I'm Braylon. And we are here with your birthdays for over the weekend.
For the birthdays, we have Katie Blankston, Damian Ampran,
Trenton Golumbowski, Quayshana Brown Johnson, Jaden Jackson,
Naziah Douglas, Tamarion Smith, Marion Williamson,
Ayana Provitt, Rocco Kaneko, Benjamin Crenshaw, and WSCN's own Brenna Bittner.
Have a good one, Raiders. That's all the birthdays we have.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Dynasty.
And I'm Giselle.
And we're here with your news. So first, we have global warming has passed 1.5 degrees Celsius in 12 months, which scientists have told us about.
Next, we have the Prince Charles. He has only been king for 1 year. He was diagnosed with cancer, and it is unspecified which form.
That's all we have for you today. Thank you, Raiders.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Randy.
And I'm Raylan, and we're here with your sport.
To start us off, our Raider Bowlers hosted Lakeview at Freeway Lanes on Wednesday night, and it was a senior recognition night. Our boys won their matchup 1,959 to 1,897. High series and high game of the night were both tossed by Jeremiah Appleby, while senior Ethan Murphy contributed a 167 game.
Our girls were able to snag a tight victory, 1,679 to 1,626. High game on the night was a 178 thrown by Abby Jones. Emma Frazzini also threw a 172 game on the evening. Congratulations to our seniors for a solid bowling career at Warren G.
Our first senior to be introduced tonight is Michaela Eisenberg. Carolyn and Vince Eisenberg and her sister Lexi. Michaela has bowled for 1 year. Her achievements include 4 years of marching band, 3 years of jazz 1, and 2 years in the drama club. Her favorite bowling memory is that she shot a 170. Her plans for next year, she's going to take a year and then she's going to go into police education. Congratulations, Michaela. Our next senior this evening is Tyler Fisher, who's being escorted by his dad Jeremy and his sisters Summer and Maya. Tyler has been bowling for 2 years. One of his achievements is the highest game he ever bowled was a 209. He said that was his biggest achievement for the season. His favorite bowling memory is when his team bowled a 255 safety game. Tyler's plans for next year is to get a job working with my grandma. He also wants to start his own business. He also wants to get his own apartment after high school. Philomena and Roger Morgan and Keon Tavares. Ella has been on the bowling team for 3 years. Her achievements include that she has been in the Renaissance program for 2 years, and she finally achieved straight A's. Her favorite bowling memory was that when we won a game last year and Lori played all I did was win by DJ Khalid at the Lane House. And last but not least, Ethan Murphy. Ashley Kenny Murphy and his sister Brittany. Ethan's been bowling for 2 years. His achievements include marching band with the tuba. His favorite bowling memory is when he bowled two-handed with Appleby. And he says one of his other favorite memories is having Coach Payton as his coach. His plans for next year are going into the Navy and entering the workforce.
Tonight, our Raider boys host Austintown Fitch at the Palace on Elm. Our JV tips off at 5:30, while varsity to follow. Then on Saturday, our boys travel to Canton McKinley to take on the Bulldogs. JV's at 5:30 once again, with varsity around 7. Good luck to our boys in securing 2 big wins on the weekend.
Sunday is the Super Bowl 58 as the Kansas City Chiefs take on the San Francisco 49ers in Las Vegas. The game will begin at 6:30 p.m. with many people turning in for the commercials, if nothing else.
You know, that's all we have for y'all. Have a good day. Eat, sleep, stay blessed. We'll see y'all.
And live.
And live.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Jilly.
And I'm Caden, and today we have this day in history for you.
The first peace treaty of World War I is signed when the newly declared independent state of Ukraine officially comes to terms with the Central Powers. In Berlin, Germany, February 9th, 1918.
On February 9th, 1773, future President William Henry Harrison is born on the Berkeley Plantation in Virginia.
That's it for you guys. Have a good one, Raiders. Hi, Raiders. I'm Jilly,
And I'm Micah.
and we're here for your song for the weekend.
The song for the weekend is Sky's the Limit by Biggie Smalls.
And why's that?
Because the sky is the limit, guys. Like, come on, now you can do whatever you want, be whatever you want.
Have a good one, Raiders.
What is going on, everybody? I'm Carter,
And I'm Mike.
and we're here with your best thing that we saw this week. Michael, best thing I saw this week was the new Canes that opened up.
I haven't been. I don't think it's that
Very
great.
good. Very good
Whatever.
food, great sauce. That's all you need.
Best thing I saw this week was the student section at Tuesday's game. Great game. I'm sorry lost though, but be back tonight when we take on I don't know.
The Fitch Falcons.
Hi, Raiders. I'm Jilly here with the interviews. Top question today is, what's your favorite video game and why?
My favorite video game is Legend of Zelda: A Link to the Past for the Super Nintendo because the story is incredible. I could not believe how awesome it was. The gameplay was great. It's still a classic. It holds up to this day. So, Legend of Zelda: Link to the Past. Go check that game out. SNES.
Go check it out. And I'm here with
Shania.
And what's your favorite video game?
My favorite video game is Grand Theft Auto. And that's my favorite video game because when I really need to just clear my head, I go drive because I can't really drive. And I love doing all the missions and I love all the characters and the storyline. It's just a really good and fun game.
Check out GTA and a new one that's coming out soon. All right, we're back with someone else. Trevor, tell us your favorite video game and why.
It's most likely The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time.
Why?
Because it was revolutionary at the time and probably one of the first video games I ever played.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right, we're here with another WSCNer, Caden.
Hi.
What's your favorite video game and why?
My favorite video game is going to have to be Minecraft, and that's because I've been playing it for almost 10 years now, and I still never get bored of it.
As you should. And now I'm here with.
OMG, it's Nike Finesse.
Now tell us, what's your favorite video game and why?
My favorite video game of all time would probably be Sonic the Hedgehog. And the reason being, yes, he gets it. The reason being is because growing up, that was the first game that I've ever touched. That's the first game I've ever played before, and on top of that, I like the storyline, I like his characters, and I mean, it's technically an anime, so I rock with the anime too, so, but it has to be Sonic the Hedgehog.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good one, Raiders.